Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings and scroll all the way down and if the developer options activated. So you will see here the developer options section, and just to hide them you should click here once on the switcher, and now you can see that all of our just options, they are blocked. And here in the settings menu we just stay with the last section, the about tablet, and the developer options section is gone. So that's it, that's how to hide developer options on our Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.